ko?
Yeah, after what happened?
Okay naman. Actually, everything has been a lot better. Pero kasi I've heard that question before, parang ayoko sabihin na because of this scandal, marami akong blessings. Because I know people are gonna say na, well, masaya siya na may scandal. I'm not happy na may scandal ako. If it was my choice, I wouldn't have wanted someone to release a private video of me having an intimate moment with somebody. Kung choice ko. Pero nangyari siya. So, I mean, we try to find the blessings in everything, the silver lining in controversy. And siguro, yun yung silver lining, marami akong blessings, and tuloy-tuloy yung mga projects ko since the scandal. So I'm thankful and grateful, pero I would have preferred that the video wasn't released from me. Yun. Or from the girl pala.
Okay, yes. Gumawa ka ba ng action, Nico, after what happened? Nag-file ka ba or humingi ka ba ng tulong din sa NBI or any agency ng government?
Yes, pumunta ako sa NBI. We found out the girl's real name. We located her. We know where she is. Pero walang action after that. And the reason for that is, if mag-action kami, there needs to be more than just me behind the action. So the other victims need to be involved as well. Kasi hindi masyadong malakas yung case if it's just me. Kasi syempre may sindakato behind the girl, right? And we don't know who the sindakato is. Kasi they've kept anonymous for a reason, syempre. So we can convict the girl, pero syempre behind this is the sindakato. Yan yung mas importante person to try and arrest. Kasi, I mean, well, the girl is an accessory to the crime, pero yung sindakato is the main reason. Kaya, if I was going to form a case, which I still can, right? I mean, it's still an ongoing case, and even more and more scandals are going to be released. May 11 so far, pero abangan nyo. Meron pa, I'm sure. This isn't the end. Pero, yun. So, I can still file a case, and I'm still contemplating whether I should. Meron akong lawyer ready and willing to file a case kung gusto ko. Pero, syempre, as an artist, I would like to focus on my career first. So, focus muna ako sa career. Pero, if the time does come and it gets worse and worse with these videos, maybe I'll file a case. I'm thinking about it still.